What's that sound? It's a fire truck. That's my favorite kind of vehicle. Can we make a fire truck sound together? Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. That's very fun to do. That's called a siren. What color is the fire truck? Yeah, the fire truck is red. What a beautiful red fire truck. But the fire truck isn't going anywhere. I wonder how we can make the fire truck go. Maybe if we say go together, the fire truck will zoom down the street. Can we say go together? Let's say go on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! Look at that fire truck go! It's zooming away! Let's do one more siren as it zooms away. Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. I like pretending to be a fire truck.